You are going to love the 2025 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, stability control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.